Hey, my walk is so cocky, the bouncers don't even stop me. Ain't no pat down, no ID. They know me, that shit I be. Bitch, I pack out the lobby just from fans trying to find me. I got daughters and mothers trying to fuck with the gunner. Two-tone shoot like the Joker. My Harley Quinn wears a choker. Let them suicide dozer. So much smoke can't photo us. I'm out west like the Gold Rush. 1942 Poda. I ain't spent one night sober since I turned 20 years old, but I'm on my GZ in 2005. Trap or die shit. The everything 100. This ain't no facade shit. This that look me in my eyes and don't you fucking lie shit. Still don't need no opinions, bitch. Most these artists my minions. Whoa. Yeah, any weed around me finna get burned. No lie, I'm on fire. Hawkeye, anybody need a realization that they fucking with the wrong guy. I am the Alpha Omega, came from Sonic on a Sega, crumbling chronic on the table, rumbling lyrics in the basement like I'm finna go Super Saiyan. I'm saying I ain't have a plan, coming out the land, hanging with my man, trying to slang a gram just to rent a van, just to try and tour, turn some common clothing into couture, steal money from the sewer. Look at all that I've endured, all them years I couldn't afford. Friends is in the morgue, we are not the same. Say the fucking name. I am the gunner. I am the gunner. I am the gunner. I am the gunner. Let's do this for real. Hey, supersonic, psychedelics and some chronic. Still remain a trending topic. 5 movies, let's be honest. What you call it? That's a major motion picture wallet. No, I do not want to comment. Don't approach me, I am violent. Snapping pictures cause I'm styling. Let me make it very fucking clear who I am. Do not start assuming. Let me clear confusion. I am not a human, they call me a giant. I pick up the mic and I start a riot. I spit a verse and I change the climate. Fuck a dealer, man, I need the pilot. Drop the weight off like he on a diet. Hanging off at the balcony of the Hyatt. I started with one and I multiplied them. Now I got me 3 women like Frankie Lyman. And I got me a double X made in dollars. Bitch, the dynasty never dying. Someone ring the sirens, I just broke the silence. I just sparked a louder. Who the fuck can stop us? I resort to violence, no resorts and honors. You know where to find us.